This is JYK's EDC, Survival, Prepping on a Budget, and Bushcraft. I'm deciding to remake my SAS Survival Kit, because that'd be a really good one to have. Uh, yeah. I have my SAS handbook, so I can look what's in here. Let me show you what's in here that I have left from this. I have the saw, which, to be honest, I'm gonna just not use this. I'm gonna use my Swiss Army knife. It'd be easier. I have my map compass. I believe this is a Coghlan's one. I don't remember. Does it have liquid in it? It doesn't. No, it doesn't have liquid in it. I don't know. But yeah, the snails that I had. Yeah, yeah, all 1, 2, 3, 4, all 5 of these snails. Okay. I have this isn't at Walmart anymore, but I decided this for my fire steel because one, it closes, it's nice. I don't actually remember where this is from, but I don't know. These are still good. They expire May of 2025. Well, that one does. Yeah, but wait, no. No, March of 2025. So yeah, and then I have the cotton balls. So yeah, yeah, and I also have Oh, I need to get some alcohol prep pads because I don't have any. But yeah, I actually don't remember where this one is from exactly. But honestly, I have an actual scalpel, so I'm just going to use that. So yeah. I can just do this. Now I picked this for my 10 because it's easy to close, like because of those. So yeah, anyway, and this is actually stainless steel, so I can boil water in it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put everything in a bag, a big bag, and put it in here. So I can have that, and then, so, yeah, anyway. It's been Hobo JYK, JYK's EDC, Survival and Prepping on a Budget, and Bushcraft. Peace.